Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a swimming pool in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and firstly go and see what we have in front of us here. So in the top corner, as you can see, we have the resource products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. And in top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a swimming pool in Planner 5D. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is go to a new project and create a new project or go to an existing project. After that, when you're there, you have, of course, your project, and you just need to go and on the left side of the screen where you can click on build. Here, you need to go and click on here and type in swimming pool. So type in swimming, just a second. And here, guys, you have your swimming pools. You can choose from a bunch of swimming pools. When you want one, click on him and the swimming pool will be added. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.